I just finished washing the second rank of this clothes, so I want to go and sun it. And it's raining. I don't mind. I will just leave it inside the rain there. Later it will dry when sun arrives. Selena, say hi. Hi. God, wahala. Mama, let me see your body. Is this still hot? No, the temperature is okay now. It's okay. Guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Stella. Consider to subscribe and hit the bell icon in case of any time we upload, you'll be the first to notify. Thank you and God bless you. Welcome to a new vlog. So guys, today we are just at home. It's raining and I did not take my son to life of my baby girl because that one is sick and she has a fever. So with this water now, everything will come see high. So we decide not to go to school today. So guys, I want to wash plates. I have plates. Guys, I will be going to snap Selena passport photograph today for the Nigeria passport that we are going to Roma for tomorrow. So, but it's raining. I will not be going this morning anyway. I'll be going later when Obi return from work because I don't know how to snap with the machine. So Obi will do that. That's why I will wait for him so that we'll go together to go and snap the passport photograph. And all the document the woman asked me, because it's the woman that I want to go and meet there, all the documents they asked me to bring, I've already, everything is prepared. I've set everything. I will show you guys, but not in this vlog. I will show you guys everything, but not in this vlog. So I will be doing the photo snap today, later in the day. So I pray this rain stop before then, but if the rain did not stop, we'll be doing that tomorrow before I go because it's night, so it's I have time to do it tomorrow. So guys, morning everyone. Good morning.
Good morning
everyone. Your tongue not the raise. I been na that your teeth will break. Now make you know see. Marvelous broke these teeth at the age of 1 year. So I pray these teeth come out again. When he was 1 year, that is when he broke the teeth. Selena, leave them. Look at Selena. Selena, are you fine? Are you okay now? Are you okay now? My pure girl. I will not be making her hair now. What is combo? Look at your teeth. What did you use that your teeth to buy? From my dentist. Fam, I want to make potato flour. Selena, stop that. I want to make potato flour. See, I noticed one thing that whenever I am at home, I did not go anywhere. Food always call me. Food will just be calling me, come and eat me, come and eat me. So for me not to eat anyhow, I always know what I'm eating. So this one, I will be eating this potato flour. You see, it's very small. So I'll be making it for 3 of us. We have vegetable soup. Though the vegetable soup is small, it's not that much, so we want to finish the soup. So I want to make this. So guys, the food is ready. She's auto is ready. So you see, this is the potato. This potato flour, when you eat it, it melts easily. It will not stay in your body like semo or pounded yam. This one melts easily. So by the time I'm eating this food is 11 o'clock. Okay, so this is my first food this morning, today, my first something to eat. I've been drinking water since till now, so I want to eat this with this spinach. Okay, I want to eat it with my beautiful kids. Selena, drop that thing and leave there.
It's pepper.
Pepper.
See.
This one is swallow.
This one follow. It's me. It's in grande. Oh.
Sit down. Fam, we have been sleeping since so. After we eat the swallow, we went to sleep. At home, I want to bath them so that we can go to snap Selena picture. Okay, come with me, guys. Come with me so that you see.
There is a problem, we say you no get money. If you are willing to pay, it will go your way. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punowa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. It is a money something. Money get power. It is a money something. Usually the cash, anything is possible. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something. Cash can turn white it up like you. It is a money something. Make fine sissy Mario Congo. It is a money something. Ojego ne punowa. It is a money something. Money can buy love. It is a money something.
Guys, I'm done with the children. No, look at them. Say hi.
Hi.
Papa, say hi.
Hi. Hi.
So I'm done with them. Selena hair, I was not able to make the hair. Selena body is still hot, though I just give her medicine. So this is fever. So we all have already taken our baths, so it's time to sleep. I said let me end this vlog and to let you guys know the updates. I will not be traveling for Selena passport again, because the woman, we called her this evening to let her know that I will be coming tomorrow. I will be traveling tomorrow, but she said on Thursday is not the day that they do scanning. Or Thursday is a collection day, that scanning will not be possible that on Thursday, so we don't have choice than to cancel it. So Obi, when Obi gets to work tomorrow, he will retake the holiday. That on Thursday, Obi will not supposed to go to work, but he's going to retake the holiday again for next week Tuesday, so that I can go. I will leave here on Monday, then I will get there on Tuesday. That is how we are going to do it. For this particular one, it's cancelled. It's cancelled because the woman said that day is a collection day. Though she said they just passed the law today, which is because we talked before I said that I will be going that day. We talked. She said okay, everything is okay, but she did not say anything like that. Actually, she said to me that they passed the law today in the office that no more scanning on Thursday. So she don't have anything to do than for me to change the time. So I'll be going next week Tuesday by the special grace of God. I want to let you guys know. I will see you guys in my next one. Let me just relax. I have a video to film. Once she sleep, I will kick off. I have a lot of video to film, my Facebook video. So thank you guys for your love and support. Do me well to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I love you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Cheers. Bye. Yeah, say bye.